good, YouTube? It's your boy Cruising with Drew, and we're back with another video. So today I'm gonna bring y'all just like a little small content. The content is gonna be just showing the outlook of my car. Sorry y'all, my old lady is in the car playing games, but I'm gonna just show y'all the outlook of the car. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the video. And we ain't bringing up with straight bangers. All right, gang, here she goes. Dolph, aka Flipper. As y'all can see, man, y'all see why I call it Flipper. I don't know if y'all can really like see it in the camera, but man, it's paint flipping. Shout out to my painter, B Brooks, on Facebook. I think on Instagram is B's Professional Touch. Also, shout out to my brother Jermaine for putting my grill in. We gotta do a couple more tweaking to it just to make it fit perfectly, but other than that, it's cool. I don't know if y'all can, let's see. This is why we call it Flipper. Right here. Wow. Well, yeah, man. She back. She not 100%. But we're gonna get there. I still got, still got some music to do. I gotta add one more amp. Come on, B. And my lithium bank. I got a lithium bank. I'm going with a 208 amp hour lithium bank. I forgot the name of the lithium company that I'm going with, but just know, man, that mug gonna put out some power. I got the teal halos in there too. Y'all might can see it, might can't because it's daytime. My boy painted under the hood. Oh yeah, my big 3 upgrade is done. The 270 ampage brand X alternator. I was about to say battery. Oh yeah, I don't know if y'all can see that pearl hitting right here. Got the aftermarket grill up there painted as well. And I'm gonna show y'all my trunk, man. Show y'all what's in here for right now. Oh yeah, shout out my boy Damien up in Greensboro, North Carolina. He did my back doors. He built my back doors for me. Shout out my boy Kevin Lamar for building that box for my 212s. They the Sundown XV3s. And I tell you, man, these motherfuckers get low, they get low. Park the trunk. Basically show y'all my trunk setup. So right now, I'm running, excuse the mess too, because me and Kevin gotta clean some stuff up because one of the batteries that I had back here blew up. But yeah, we got a Tar Amps 8K 1 ohm. This is on my base. Then I got the DS18 1050. That is on my tweeters. Then I got another 8K. That there is just on base. No, sorry, that is on my front doors. Only front doors. And I got another 8K. That there is on my back doors. And then tucked over here, I got a Tar Amp 3K. That there is on my horns. And then I got a throttle battery back there. As long as, I said as long as. Also, I got a AGM up front. Excuse the mess, y'all. So This is what I'm running right now. I gotta change this color out because the color I had on the car before, it matched this color. So as y'all see, I gotta paint it and it's not matching. But it's all good. My boy Damien's gonna change this out. And then with that too, I got a surprise, man. I got a surprise coming for that. And then I'm running the DH2000 horns. I'm running the TPT Tepano 10s, the big boy PHV horns. Yeah. Oh, y'all can see, man, I got this little cord right here, go to the trunk. I actually broke my trunk, not with this setup. I broke it with I had 2 scars, VXF 12 scars I had. And bro, it tore that trunk up. It broke the whole latch. But yeah, this is the car that people be in their feelings about. I'm gonna let you know now. If you see this car and it's like this, please stay away, because it's about to be some jamming going on. Oh, my boy Kevin actually, well, I can't get it out, but he actually built a amp rack cover. The amp rack covers for my pops, man. It said rest in peace, pops. My dad passed away, for the ones that don't know, that haven't been following me. My pops passed away in 2015. And man, he the one that really got me into the car thing, man. When I was younger, you know. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and wrap this little video up, man. Like I said already, if you haven't liked, commented, or subscribed to the channel, make sure you go ahead and do that. Click that notification bell so every time I post, you'll get a notification. All right, gang, deuces.